Hi, I'm Kate. I am an independent sipologist with Steep Tea, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make the perfect iced tea. Guys, it's so easy. I was shocked because I was probably just like you, and I was like, oh, this seems like a lot of work. With our tools, it is amazing how easy making tea can be. So today I'm going to be making our peaches and cream into an iced tea. All right, we have it right here. So peaches and cream is a white tea. All right, it is 0 calories, as are all of our loose leaf teas. And the ingredients are white tea, mango bits, pineapple bits, papaya bits, pomegranate blossom, sunflower blossom, and natural flavors. All right, the white tea does have naturally occurring caffeine. All right, and basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take our perfect party pitcher right here. All right, this baby right here is just amazing. It makes things so easy. And the reason for that is it has this strainer on top. So you don't have to worry about loose leaf tea bits getting into your drink. All right, so all you do is you take this, all right. I have our pot of tea spoon right here. And one thing I like to do with the iced teas is add a little bit more than I normally would, all right? Now this can be brewed 3 times when you make it hot, all right? So you can reuse your serving 3 times. With iced tea, the way I make it, it's a little bit harder, but it can still be done. All right, so I'm gonna take our perfect spoon for a pot of tea, and I'm gonna put 2 spoonfuls in because with the iced tea, because it's steeping, you may wanna have a little bit of extra flavor, all right? So this is what it looks like, guys. Doesn't that look amazing right here? All right, you put it right in there, okay? Now, because I was doing this, I wanted to just prepare my water. So this is just cold water right here, right from the filtered refrigerator. And I'm just gonna pour it right in. All right, hopefully it goes to the top. Didn't really think about that. All right, so you can see it's just so easy to use. Hey, it's like perfect. That's why it's the perfect party pitcher. So I might add a little bit more water to it. But all you do, if you want to add a sugar, like a lot of people like to add stevia. I personally like monk fruit sweetener. It's right here. Monk fruit is another superfood. And basically it was developed by Buddhist monks. It has 0 calories. It does have 8 sugar alcohol grams, but it doesn't raise your blood sugar. And as someone who has diabetes, or had diabetes, I guess, which is really exciting, that's really important to me. So this is made with erythritol and monk fruit extract. So I'm going to put a little bit of sugar in, all right. Whoops, got it all over the counter. All right, I put it like half a capful. Honestly, most of our teas, you don't even need sugar. All right, but I'm putting it in there, all right? And then you just put on the top like this. Put it in the fridge. You wait for like, I don't know, 6 hours. You don't even necessarily have to wait that long. I like to wait about 6 hours so it gets a little bit more of the flavor in. And voila, you have your perfect iced tea. All right, great for the summer. We usually go through a pitcher of this a day in my house. There's so many different iced teas. We have 100 different loose leaf flavors, and they can all be made into iced teas. So keep that in mind. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Okay, bye.